Hi, my friend the editor.
Hi, my friend the hard-working researcher.
So will you publish the article I submitted?
What was the p-value?
The effect sizes, or point estimates, were large, but so were the confidence interval ranges due to a small sample size.
But what was the p-value?
Really irrelevant, don't you think?
What?
Yes, irrelevant. The p-value only tells us if a researcher had a big enough sample size or not.
But I cannot publish the study unless the p-value is less than 0.05. Well, maybe if it is equal to 0.05, but only if I'm in a good mood.
Are you serious? Have you heard of meta-analysis?
Yes, of course, we publish them all the time. They are also frequently cited, so they inflate the journal impact factor.
Did you know that meta-analysis does not care about the p-value of individual studies?
What? But how would we know if the findings are real or just some chance findings without the p-value?
There is no tests to tell you if the findings are real or not. Even if the p-value is very low, you do not know if that is due to a low probability or methodological issues, etc. The p-value certainly does not tell you if the findings are real or not.
But what about your hypothesis? You cannot test them without significance testing, that is the p-value.
Why not? Consider physics. What do you think point estimates and confidence intervals are for anyway?
But confidence intervals are the same as p-values.
No, they are not, and actually predate them by several hundred years. Look up error bands. Confidence intervals tell you much more than p-values, as they give you a range that goes not just towards zero, but towards higher effect sizes as well.
You are kidding me.
No, I'm not.
But it is so practical to use the p-value to decide if to publish or not, and what findings to look at.
You are now back to a previous objection. What findings are "real" and what findings are not? But the answer is the same, and if you want to advance science, you should have effect sizes as your cutoff points, backed by a theoretical argument as to why a particular cutoff point is important. And these cutoff points would change from study to study, depending on the phenomenon being examined.
But, my head hurts. But that sounds like a lot of scientific work.
Sorry to trouble you.
I'm sorry too, and don't you know that you simply cannot stay objective without the p-value?
What? Are you trying to say that p is objective, while confidence intervals and point estimates are not? Do you realize that I can simply lower my p by pumping in enough participants, but that all these participants have no effect on the point estimate?
My head hurts more.
Is that a statistically significant increase in pain?
Please, what was the p-value in your study?
0.003.
Great, I'll publish your study, no problem. Good talking to you.
Yeah, sure.